Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of March 14th through the 20th in my horizontal planner, which I use for hand lettering inspirational quotes. And the theme I'm going with this week is brought to us by the Mambi HPFB group. This is the Canadian Happy Planner group on Facebook. And the theme they have is Spring Explosion, which many of these are related to St. Patrick's Day. I'm going to do that one in my catch-all planner tomorrow. And I've done a couple Ukraine related spreads this week as well. So I just thought it would be nice to change it up and go just crazy with florals. This is going to be a super fast one. Because I have the Spring Florals book by KaiserCraft, but really any florals would do for this. If you have any of the other KaiserCraft books, I don't know if this one is still available. If you have the Live Love Posh or the Amber Plans Her Day, I just happen to have this one as my newest one, and you know we all like the new shiny toy, right? So I thought I would go with these because I think the green matches the green on the pages pretty darn well. These are so super bright. I gravitate toward my lettering spreads tend to be my brightest ones. It also tends to be where I do the florals because I match the pens to them, and this gives me the opportunity to put lots and lots of color, lots of fun, interesting pens on the page. So I'm just gonna put one of these stickers down the spine on either side. Like I said, I warned you, this is going to be a really fast one. So, and I know these are kind of meant to be growing up, but I mean, when I looked at this page, I didn't think, oh, those stickers are sideways. So I think they'll be okay sideways as well. I gotta find the edge of the sticker. There we go. Alright, so the hardest part with these is just getting them, you get one shot at this, right? So getting them straight on the page. This is actually a little bit big for a classic page, but you know what I'm going to say, that's alright. Now I'm glad I thought of this. I do want to cover up the word notes with a little bit of whiteout. I want the dates to show through, but I don't need notes to show through. And I have made my piece with this week showing through because I do write one big word that sets the tone for the week on my quotes. So it's fine if it says this week. All right. So is there a taller spot, since this is big, if I put it aligned with the top of the page, I end up with this little rosebud, right, or floral bud, whatever kind it is, right on top of that whiteout versus... Yeah, I think I want to align with the bottom part of the page because this leaf is a little bit taller. So I could just kind of center it and have a tiny bit to cut off either end because it's not like it's going to be enough to save. But there we go. Hopefully I got it straight. We're about to find out. There we go. Oops. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't mind that it's sideways at all. Okay, let's do this page. I don't like florals. It's so funny. When I was a little kid and my mom would make me clothes, we lived on a farm, we made a lot of our clothes and stuff. I hated flowers. I was a tomboy. I hated blouses and shirts and skirts that have florals all over them. I hated them. And I don't like florals in all of my spreads, but there is just something nice and peaceful in like a wellness spread or in these inspirational quotes spreads and my lettering spreads that I think florals, I don't mind florals. There we go. They're so, and plus I have, you guys, I have a little bit of a headache today, but I really want to get this done. And so there's something so nice about just keeping it short and sweet and simple sometimes. Not stressing about balancing this with that and matching all your colors, and every once in a while we just need something quick and easy, but that still looks absolutely spectacular and really put together. And I think florals like this do that for us every once in a while. So, all right, there we go. So the nice thing also about this book is it has matching box stickers on paper for my Who to Attribute the Quote to boxes. So I think that's about the right size. Here we go. There are 4 there. I was hoping for a green one. I mean, I guess I don't need a green one because there is quite a bit of green on the page. So let's just go ahead and pull, let's see, yellow and hot pink. So we'll put those 4. So let's try to put the 2 pinks on different pages. So there's those 2. And then I need the purple and, yeah, that pink on the other page. So I could further cover up. So I almost always put a box here because I always want to cover that up. So maybe I'll switch it up. No, because if I want 2 on this page, they'd have to go right beside each other. So let's go ahead. So there's a lot of pink right there. Let's put the yellow one there. And I'm just going to tuck it right in amongst the flowers. And then we'll do this one up here. Let's put this one way up under the day of the week, Friday. This is going to be like a 5-minute video. So since that pink one's up there, even though this pink is slightly different, they're kind of in the same neighborhood. So let's put this one here, way down here. And then the purple one up here, I think, for a little bit of balance. Yeah. Ugh. How many times have I done that? There we go. All right, did that take 5 minutes? I don't even think it took 5 minutes. So there we go. That is, seriously, that's it. Again, once in a while, a super quick and easy spread with high impact makes all the difference. So maybe on these super short ones, I will try to go ahead and hand letter them, maybe in fast forward as well. Like I said, I have a little bit of a headache today, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and call this one done. But if you are curious about what these florals look like in your planner, now you have kind of an idea. I just love putting stuff down the spine. I think it looks fantastic and really visually impactful. And it doesn't have to be florals. You could use a super wide washi tape from the washi tape shop. You could do something with strips of washi horizontally at different rips and angles that have patterns. So, but just, I love the impact of going down the spine on either side of the discs. So I hope you like this video. I hope it gives you some fun ideas on different ways you can do setups in your planner. If it does, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.